In June 2023, 5 Belgians turned up in Kyrgyzstan and headed for a not very touristy region, located 300 kilometers west of the capital Bishkek. This is where Valdemir Meze lives. He is the director of hunting and fishing at Talas. For several years now, he has been looking for a solution because he has noticed that the biodiversity that was so beautiful and abundant when he was young has disappeared. He would like to change the destination of the territory he is responsible for and would like to transform the valley of his childhood, Kara-Koyun, into a fully protected breeding area for wild animals. Valdemir is helped and supported in his approach by a specialist in ecology, Gamel Soronkulov, who works very actively to protect nature in Kyrgyzstan. The Belgians, all photographers or filmmakers, are there to visit the area and discover its 7,200 hectares, but also to help Valdemir make his dream come true, because a hunter who wants to completely ban hunting is quite unusual. You need to know that Kara-Koyun's direct neighbour is Bishtash National Park, which covers an area of 13,730 hectares. It's an unspoilt area, and it is important that it stays like this. Grazing has been expanding here for several years now. There is a serious risk of overgrazing. The inhabitants of Talas also come to spend a few hours in this beautiful valley. They need to be informed about what to do and what not to do. In this month of June, there is less water than usual. Climate change can be felt here too. There is less snow and less water in the Kara-Koyun River. The grass, which is usually very lush, did not grow very well. Wild animals reach the mountain heights at over 3,000 meters. Peaks overlooking the valley are 3,500 meters at their highest points. The unspoiled flora is a delight, and the fauna is bound to thrive. Valdemir and Gamel walk along the path that leads to the mountain pass with Beshtash National Park. It's no longer passable by car, but there is no problem on foot. Everything is in place to set up an anti-poaching brigade. It will patrol and protect this magnificent, unspoiled wilderness. There are no ski resorts and tourist numbers are moderate and controlled. With a little money and a lot of goodwill, Valdemir and Gamel's dream will come true.